Oh, working in the yard was hard. Luckily, somebody left out their ice cold delicious Coca-Cola. Somebody must have been thinking about me and left that right there for me. Oh, I'm so happy. Back to work.
Where'd all my Coke go? Oh, it's so hot. Luckily, I got a spy kit. So first, you take this cup and this pencil, some sandpaper. Then go like this, and all the pencil lead go in the cup. Next, you take this paintbrush, take the pencil lead, put it on here, blow it off a little. Next, you take a piece of tape, then you put it on there. Then take it off, put it on the piece of paper, and voila, you got a fingerprint. Poppy, come show me your finger.
Luca, why do you want to see my finger? Hey, what are you doing?
Did you drink my Coke?
Was this your Coke?
Yeah!
Hey! Oh!